So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, if you already signed up for Uber, but you forgot to use a referral code, then there is still a way to retroactively apply a referral code so you can get a bonus of up to $2,000. And I'm not joking, this is by far the best time to apply this referral code. If you forgot, that's okay. Unfortunately with Lyft, they're not letting you retroactively, but right now for Uber, if you signed up and you forgot to use a code, I'm gonna leave instructions down below for you to apply a referral code retroactively so you can get a cash bonus. Again, it might be $500, might be $300, might be $1,000. It might only be $100, but still, during this time, it is better now than ever to get that extra money because earnings are down. And if you want to get that bonus, go ahead and use the instructions down below. Again, this applies to only Uber drivers who already signed up and forgot to use a code. So yeah, sorry to everybody else, but it only applies to those people. All right, now let's get on to the video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different and I am gonna be talking about Doordash. So usually I do tend to focus on Uber and Lyft and any rideshare related companies, but I do think that Doordash fits very well into this. We have made some videos on Doordash, Instacart, Uber Eats, and I think a couple on Grubhub. So I think this is very fitting, and also with everything that's going on, I did want to make this announcement, and I am technically a dasher. I haven't done any dash rides or dash deliveries, but I have been thinking about doing it. There was a time where I was gonna go out and do different apps once per week and change up the apps and test each one of them out, but it was a little bit too complicated to do all that, and it takes a while to get approved for each platform, etc. And with everything that's going on, I haven't just been doing it, but DoorDash just announced no contact deliveries. Shout out to Alfred in West Hollywood for the vanilla latte. So what does that mean? What does no contact deliveries mean? I'm gonna get into that. Before I'm gonna get into the announcement, I have the official announcement on my phone. I just got it, and I don't think a lot of people have seen this, especially dashers, because I'm a DoorDash orderer, I guess. So I have been ordering a lot from DoorDash, so I have that announcement specifically. Furthermore, what's going on with DoorDash right now? Because of everything that's going on, because a lot of people are staying at home, because a lot of people aren't going out to restaurants, a lot of people are ordering food. Instacart deliveries have gone up 10 times, and sometimes up to 20 times as in bigger demand. People are ordering groceries, people are ordering food. So what does that mean for Uber and Lyft drivers? That means that if you're not making as much money as you used to, do it right now, and you don't want to be transferring people, what you can do instead is do food delivery. There's a lot of money to be made right now because surge is really high on those apps. People are ordering food like crazy right now, at all times of the day, because people are staying at home and people are going out, and people can't even get food because the grocery stores are too long. I myself, I don't want to go to Trader Joe's and wait an hour in line and another hour shopping and just going inside and waiting in line. I just don't want to do it. So I've been ordering a lot of food. And with that being said, DoorDash now, because they do want to follow guidelines from the government, they're doing no contact deliveries. What does that mean? Now as a driver, you can essentially, if you as a driver and then as a passenger, they can both do no contact delivery. So you can basically drop the food off at the door. And here, I'll just get into it. It's much easier to explain. Let's see, so here we go. I'm going to essentially start doing a screen recording, and you guys can basically look at what I'm looking at so we can both be on the same page. So here we go. Let me pause my Sia music so you guys don't have to listen to that. And let me go into my email. So here I'm going to open the email in 1, 2, 3. Here we go. DoorDash requesting a no contact delivery. They go, Dylan, this is what they sent out to all DoorDash orderers, people who order food on DoorDash. So they go, They go, Dylan, we take the health and safety of our community seriously and want to remind you of the existing options available for deliveries. If you prefer a no contact delivery or need to request one for health reasons, they provide an asterisk, and they goes, for those who are ill or have been in contact with others who may be ill, this is particularly important to protect the health of the Dasher community. So they're saying basically you should be doing this. They say you can make that request if you're sick. You should, but if not, whatever. This is still a possibility. They go, you can make that request today in the delivery instructions. Dashers may also reach out to you through a call or text message when you place an order to request a no contact delivery as well. They go, if a no contact delivery is requested, the Dasher will leave your food in a safe place and alert you when it's ready for pickup. Here's how this works if you'd like to request one. So, I'll just read it, whatever. They go, add instructions. At checkout, update the delivery instructions section with your request for a no contact delivery and with details about the drop-off location. Please be specific about the location and instructions. Text your Dasher. When your Dasher is assigned, select the option to text your Dasher. In the message, remind them of your request and consider sending a photo of the drop-off location. That's smart, a photo. I didn't know you could text photos, but cool. Dasher will confirm drop-off. When your Dasher arrives, they'll text you that they've left your order at the requested drop-off location. You'll also receive a message in-app that your order has been delivered. We are testing enhanced drop-off options for customers that are coming soon to our app and website. We'll roll these out in the coming days and we'll continue to communicate with you during this evolving situation. Thanks, the DoorDash customer support team. And again, for asterisk purposes, they wrote, for those who are ill or who have been in contact with others who may be ill, this is particularly important to protect the health of the Dasher community. So, with that being said, if you are a Dasher, look out for those. If you have a lot of passengers will most likely want to do no contact deliveries. And if you are a Dasher, another thing you can do is request one as well yourself. If you are a Dasher and you don't want to hand food to people back and forth, you can say, hey, you can drop off the food at the door and say, hey, I just want to let you know your food is at the door. You know, or maybe you can even just set it down, ring the doorbell, and then leave. Just drop the food off for them. Or if you don't, what you can do is knock on the door, deliver them the food, and wear gloves. That's another good option, so you don't accidentally touch them when you're transferring the food. You can wear, yeah, basically, I just want, like, I think it's good that DoorDash is announcing this for drivers' purposes and also for riders' purposes too. So again, if you have never done DoorDash before, it's honestly really, really easy. It's not hard to get a job with DoorDash as a courier or a Dasher. Basically, all you do is you apply, and you can get they'll send you a card. They send you, I don't have my card on me, but they send you a Dasher card, or maybe it's on your phone or something, or maybe it's paid through the app. No, Postmates, they send you a card, and Instacart, they send you a card. I think Dasher might be just through your phone. Could be wrong on that. But anyways, they send you that, and then when you get basically a request to a restaurant. I've done Postmates, so I know it's basically the same thing. Postmates is also food delivery, and basically you get a request from a restaurant, let's say Chick-fil-A, you go there, it's all through the app, or you go to Chipotle, they've already made it, so it's already ready. The times that they haven't made it, sometimes you have to go there and tell them the order, and you either should call in before on your way there, or you get there and you tell them, hey, you know, this is the order, and then they have to make it. My favorite are when it's already ready and you just pick it up and go. And then you drop it off, and a lot of people leave a lot more tips on food delivery. I don't know, it's the whole like pizza delivery, you always tip your pizza driver, like it's just common, like everyone does it. So a lot of people do tip, you get more tips doing food delivery, and especially right now, people know that, you know, you're going out there and risking your life, I guess. So, you know, not all heroes wear capes. So again, if you've never considered doing DoorDash, you can use my link in the description down below, and there is a sign up bonus for you if you do want to go out, and you can start making money doing DoorDash. Again, Uber and Lyft is going to be slow for the next few months, at least 3 to 4 months. maybe 6.5 months for you know, all this stuff to calm down. So I highly recommend doing food delivery if you haven't done it before. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy, you can make a lot of money. So anyways, thank you all for watching today's video. That's it. I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.